So this US oil analysis for Thursday 20th of September. Now let's just have a look on prices and where price may likely go. So previously we've had price test the 69.51, had this break here to the upside towards that 70.79, broke above 70.79, came within a whisker of the within a couple of cents here of that 71.50, from which we've had this pullback down towards the 70.79. Brief rally do appear to be failing at present, in around failing at heading up towards that 71.50. Instead, we do seem poised for a test of that 70.79. If we do hold support at 70.79, looking for a bullish bounce towards that 71.50. And if we do see that bullish buy side momentum take us through 71.50, the very next level of note here to the upside, beyond the 71.50s, and move up towards that 72.39 here on the US oil. And beyond that, I don't anticipate price to move much beyond the 72.39. The level that we are looking at is the 72.88 here on the US oil. If, however, we do fail to hold the 70.79 for support for a bullish bounce, we do fail and we do see that sell side momentum return to the market, looking for a move back down towards a 69.51 previous scenario, which acts as support and resistance. And if we do fail to hold support in around, I suppose we should mention around 69.51, depending on the time it does take us to get down there. We do have data confluence of 200, 400 period moving averages, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce in and around that 69.51. But if we do see that volatility bring us through the 69.51, the very next level of note here to the downside is a move down towards that 68.19. And again, I would expect that 68.19 to be the far end of the range. I don't anticipate 67.73 coming to focus here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts, see how prices are developing. So we get the scale on here correct. So on this US oil, we have our lows, we have higher lows, we have higher lows still. We've had this strong move towards that 70.79. We've closed pretty close towards that 70.79. I think we closed even slightly above that 70.79, but we are seeing a bit of sell side momentum come into the market. So we'll see whether we do have a bit of a pullback before posting another higher low, breaking beyond their previous highs in the 71.50s and start head towards that 72.39, possibly that 72.88 and that 73.16. Now around that 72.88 and that 73.16, there remains a possibility of encountering resistance as we have here in mid to late May. If we do encounter resistance there is a possibility of having a head and shoulders pattern. If that is the case, we do have our head in around $75 a mark, have the shoulder in around the high 72s, low 73s here on the US oil, and possibly looking for a downside move down towards possibly even that 64.75 here on the US oil if that head and shoulders pattern, bearish chart pattern, plays itself out. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.